You can't ignore ChatGPT if you really want to improve your spoken English in just 30 days. Firstly, you should go through photo extension method. You can upload one picture on ChatGPT and then you will see the magic. You will be able to express everything in English. So friends, I will talk about the method, but before that, I want to talk about my personal experience, how I improved myself 1 year back just by following ChatGPT. But remember one thing, I was not following only ChatGPT. I also had one trainer. She was from Punjab and she helped me improve my spoken English. I improved myself. I gained confidence through ChatGPT. But if you want to sound natural, then ChatGPT can't help you, okay? Because ChatGPT is still a robot. So it can help you to gain confidence. It can help you to become a fluent speaker. But if you want to connect to everyone with emotionally, then you will have to talk with the real human being. So I divided this video in 4 parts, okay? Firstly, today I will talk about photo extension method and you will have to follow up to next 7 days, and after 7 days I will give you another method, and after 14 days means I will give you 4 methods, okay, in 30 days. So first is photo extension method. Photo extension method means whatever you see around, first click a picture of that and try to describe it in your own words. I know when you will describe it, you will forget it completely. Words will not come to your mind. You will get stuck while using phrasal verbs, collocations, and you will not have the right structure to describe yourself. And you will be able to describe just for 30 seconds or 1 minute. But don't worry at all. What you can do the next, first go to ChatGPT and plus icon, there will be plus icon, click on that and upload that picture, the same picture what you tried to describe and you were unable to describe it, okay? And now let me share with you the prompt how you can say to ChatGPT. And say to ChatGPT, ChatGPT, if you were a language learner, then how would you describe this picture? After uploading the picture, let me repeat again. You should, copy paste this word again, this sentence. ChatGPT, if you were a language learner, how would you describe this picture? Then ChatGPT would describe in a different way and you will get to know like, oh my God, I was missing a lot of things. I was missing structures. I was missing collocations, vocabularies, phrasal verbs, a lot of things, okay? Then you should do every day 4 times. First in the morning when you wake up, then try to click picture of your house or anything, whatever you want. Just click that picture and upload it. But before uploading, at least you should try at least for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Just try speaking from your side. And once you will get stuck, then upload it on ChatGPT. And you will get to know a list of structures, verbs, adverbs, everything. And you will be surprised like, oh my God, if I am reading, then ChatGPT is describing my house. And whatever you will see, you will be able to speak in English like a kid, okay? This is the first step. The afternoon time, if you are going outside, then you can also click a picture. Means just try to click pictures, basic things like nature, beauty, or any park, any garden, just common, okay, just very basic, so that it would be low threatening. This is known as low threatening method, okay? Means no any disturbance, no any hustling bustling. But the second time what you can do after evening, when you are returning from your office, when you are returning from your market or anywhere, then try to click one picture of metro station, railway station, or even bus stop, anywhere like marketing, mall, wherever you are going in the evening. Just click that picture and come back from there. After that, when you are coming back, then just have a rest, do or your all activities what you do, and then before going to your bed, try to describe it from your side. This is known as advanced photo extension method, okay? Because when you are describing nature, beauty, then it is very easy, okay, to describe. But when you are describing a mall, you will see numerous activities, a lot of people, you will get confused. When you try to describe a marketplace, you will get confused. This is advanced English, okay? So firstly, you should go through like nature, beauty in the morning till afternoon, and after that you should follow about market, mall, railway station, or bus stop, anything you want, like a little bit that should be crowded place, okay, so that it can challenge your English, and you will grow rapidly. So let me take an example. How would I describe first? Let's say this is nature beauty, okay, not let's say this is real nature beauty. So this is a nature beauty. Firstly I will click a picture of this, okay, and once I click the picture, then I would try to describe from my side, like wow, this is a very good place, and you can see very new young trees are there, and some bushes are behind me, and you can see the soil is so clean and the sky is very clean. I enjoy a lot. So this is basic level, this is not like that, okay. But if I upload the same picture to ChatGPT, then ChatGPT would give me the structure, like wow, this is a very beautiful place, new young trees are there, and some bushes are behind you, you are wearing like a red or orange color t-shirt. And then it would also talk about the weather, like weather is so clean, partially cloudy, it is a scattered cloudy, okay. And then it would also say like weather is like very pleasant. And then after that ChatGPT would also talk about the feelings. I was missing weather, feelings, then ChatGPT would give you everything. Then I would say like wow, I am feeling so nice, very calm, and very relaxed place, nobody is around me, so I can record my video very easily. I feel very relaxed, there is no need to doing meditation or anything. I just feel relaxed, I just sit down, record myself, this is meditation for me, okay. This is how I can express. But when I was explaining before a structure, okay, it was useless, it was a very basic. But if ChatGPT would give you a structure, then firstly it would describe the place, then describe the weather, the feelings, and emotions, everything. In the same way, if you are describing about any mall or anything, marketplaces, then you would say a person he is talking on phone, another is buying something, you will see there is a girlfriend boyfriend holding their hands and going out. So you will describe, but it is not in a structure way. But once you click that picture and upload it on ChatGPT, then you would get to know like, oh my god, now ChatGPT is describing in a sequence way. So once you will follow this up to next 7 days, whatever you would see, you will be able to express, okay. So please never forget, whatever you see, you will be able to observe and express, and this is known as the photo extension method. I hope that you all will do it for the next 7 days, and then after 7 days I will upload another video. Please don't underestimate this. This is very powerful technique. Most of the language learners, they are following only techniques, they are following only methods, they are not executing. If you will not take it, if you will not utilize this method, then it is useless watching videos, okay. So please you should enjoy this photo extension method. If you see your own picture, you like it, then upload your own picture, but say about your personality a little bit, and ask to ChatGPT describe this picture. If you want your girlfriend to be described, then upload this picture on ChatGPT and ask to describe her, and then you can give appreciation, compliments to your girlfriend, okay. This is very unique and simple way of learning English. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and never ignore ChatGPT.